Yeah, I want to continue to do that. I would love to work with you guys for a long time. The responsiveness from your team is really good.
Awesome.
And a lot of times if there's an issue, they take care of it. But I think just the whole concept of doing the drop shipping, not having to hold on to inventory is huge. That's a big plus, because that's why I think most drop shipping companies or individuals probably fail, because they have all this inventory and then they can't move it. No, it's a good, like I said, man, it's a brilliant model. It is. I respect game respects game. I get it. I think as long as you have the analytics and the data, I've looked at the P&Ls. I think it's just like,
What's your main job, Cody? Or your main business?
I'm a technical account manager. So I worked at Microsoft for almost 10 years. Things are better now. I work for a small company called Smartsheet. They're a project portfolio management company. They're pretty cool. And I'm doing real estate, this credit card automation, and then I think that's it.
Okay, nice. Was there anything specific that made you choose us? It's been a while. I think we talked back in.
I've always been interested in the platform. I think the model was very smart, because it's not, I don't like the term reseller, because that sounds dirty, and that's not what it is. It's more like you are providing a service to people that use a specific platform, and it's up to them to do research or not. And a lot of times people don't have the option. They don't have Amazon, or they don't. They're just specific for eBay, so they take advantage of that instead. But I think just the whole concept of doing the drop shipping, not having to hold on to inventory is huge. That's a big plus, because that's why I think most drop shipping companies or individuals probably fail, because they have all this inventory and then they can't move it. And then they have to pay for storage. They have to pay for all these things. So you're not only are you losing money by not selling it, but then you have to pay to store it somewhere. And it's like, it's too cumbersome. So that I like that model. I think that was really smart. Yeah, just using automation. Data makes sense. The orders are coming in. It's exciting. It's good. I can tell. I mean, like I said, you guys are doing the research. Remember. Okay, so I just need to give it more time, is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you had a nice pickup in November, which is good. And what you're going to see right now, like, especially in the first year, like, what's more important? You're averaging about a 20 to 30% ROI most
Which
months.
is good. That's
Yeah.
good.
But yeah, right now, I think team just needs to get you a little bit more velocity, even at the expense of maybe, 15 to 20% ROI, just so we can get more reviews, more ranking, and they can have more products. So we can just scale a bit more aggressively. I want to see you do, hopefully double that this month, and then continue that growth pretty aggressively throughout the next few months until we're at, $1,000 a month. Profit is where I'd want to see you in 4 months.
What can I do other than just staying on top of the cards, or
How many? Do you know how many reviews you have right now?
like, I think, let me look, 80s, 90 something now.
Okay.
It's gone up significantly.
Yeah, that's where you're gonna see the biggest difference.
93.
Okay, yeah. Once you cross 100, hopefully very soon, you should see actually. We noticed that's like a big landmark. It's
Okay.
like 100, 200. Those seem to really incentivize people to buy from you. How many products do you have as well?
A shitload, like 1,500, I think.
Okay. So that's good.
Okay, so I just need to give it more time. And I have
Yeah,
faith.
the first 6, 9, even sometimes 12 months, just a grind, because like eBay is just so dependent upon ranking and reviews. And
No, it's a good, like I said, man, it's a brilliant model. It is. I respect game respects game. I get it. I think as long as you have the analytics and the data, I've looked at the P&Ls.
yeah, I guess just to make our company better, I guess what's been the best thing about your experience so far?
The communication's been rock solid. Tiffany's been excellent. You know, I think I do see pretty much daily activity, so I know things are being worked on. The responsiveness from your team is really good.
Awesome.
You know, and a lot of times if there's an issue, they take care of it. I mean, you know, the returns can be sometimes kind of a bummer, mainly because I'm still paying for it, and then I don't always get the product back, or the customer will get it, and then I don't know. It's not a perfect system. It's not a perfect world. I get it, but
Right.
as long as the goal is, as long as it continues to incline, then and this is for 2 years, right? We signed our contract, right?
Yeah, and then you can renew it for free, right, every year after.
Yeah, I want to continue to do that. I would love to work with you guys for a long time, especially like I said, if you know that it works, you know that I don't even know how. I mean, I guess it's just you do the product research, and I'm assuming, are you guys using AI as well?
Yeah, we use a little bit of AI. We
Yeah.
develop our own software. It might be some AI in there, of course, but yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, I figured, because I would think to scale multiple stores at this volume and level, you'd have to have some type of technology help, you know?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, man. Well, just keep kicking ass. They're doing, like I said, they're doing good. I hope it's not, the goal is, you know, residual or passive income, and I know it'll get there.
Yeah.
I couldn't get here. Christmas can't get here fast enough.
Yeah, it's always a waiting game.
You guys have done this before. You know what you're doing. I'm here to I want to learn and understand too, but I can't even begin to comprehend.
It's a lot of work.
I'm sure 98% of the people and companies that try to do this probably fail at least in the first year.
Yeah.
So it's just, there's too many moving targets you have to hit to make it work, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So
cool. But yeah, just feel free to shoot them a message and be like, hey guys, how are promotions going? If they're going well, hey, let's spend a little bit more money. You know, I'm willing to do that.
So the only things then that I would be getting invoices once it's $500 profit.
Yep.
Which I appreciate that, Cameron. That's significant. That's very fair and reasonable. It's that percentage of the $500 profit, and then, which is 30%, then the 25 with the automation, and then whatever else. I don't know if there's anything. Is there anything else?
It should just be that.
Okay. Okay. All right. Cool. Good, man. Well, thank you again. Sorry, I'm walking around. I can't still. I hope you don't get motion sick, because I just walk around in my house.
No worries. I do it myself.
Yeah. Well, good, dude. Well, thank you. Yeah, I'll so 12 months would be April of next year then. Is that correct?
Yep, I think so.
Okay. All right. So yeah. So realistically, I just need to continue just to be patient, and then we'll be good to rock and roll. Okay.
Cool. Awesome, man.
Sweet.
But yeah, good chatting with you. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and a lovely Christmas as well. And I'm sure
You too. Absolutely. Yes, sir. You as well. Thank you. I appreciate your time very much.
Always. Take care.
Take care. See you later.